Welcome to Shop Stop. Today we're going to talk about building a gate latch, maybe with some real common components that you can pick up at your local hardware store.
Yeah, Randy's going to put a spring-loaded latch on his gate at his place, and what he's got is a piece of pipe and a bar and some washers and springs, and what he's going to do is try and fabricate something that works similar to this in his home shop to provide his gate latch.
So basically just come up with a few flat washers you can buy out of the bin. We've got a piece of 3/4 inch pipe, piece of 1/2 inch rod, found some springs that will fit it, so the spring will go over the rod, but it will also go inside of the pipe. And so basically what we're going to do is take a little small washer, 5/16 washer. We're going to have to put it in a vise and drill a hole in it so that it will actually slide over the end of the pipe and will match up and actually be our stay, similar to the one that's machined on the other one here. Then the other piece we'll do is, again, we'll have to drill one of these out so the 1/2 inch rod will slide through it, weld it to the end of my pipe, and now I've got my guide for that system. The big key is the dimensions that really matter is the length of the spring, and so that spring is going to have to fit into the end of the pipe here, and so where we put this washer that's going to act as the stay is going to be, on the rod, and that's going to depend on the springs that we get. These happen to be 3-inch long springs, so you may find others at your store that may work just as well.
One other thing you might want to do is, if you're going to weld this to your gate, obviously water's going to get in here, is maybe drill a hole in the bottom of that so that the water can drain out, because these are going to rust over time if you don't, or freeze up.
Yeah. So a couple little tips with some off-the-shelf components that do not require machining, I guess, to build a nice little gate latch.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Shop Stop.